Hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Medz. I hope your week is off to a great start. Happy Monday to you all. Yes, it's Monday and it's not a usual Monday. I'm just doing a quick video for you today. Yes, it's windy. We actually have been experiencing winds and rains from tropical storm Zeta. So yes, here in Jamaica we are affected by the tropical storm Zeta. To me it feels like a hurricane. For one who were born and raised in Jamaica in hurricane, yes, it does feel like hurricane to me. So yes, I just want to encourage us today that no matter what you're going through, no matter what storms you're going through, remember that God is in control and He will see you through. Yes, I'm focusing today on your spiritual health and your mental health. I know we've been talking about breast cancer awareness, and I really had a powerful lineup for today's Monday Meds, but I will do it later on this week. As you know, I've been trying to give you more than one video for each week. So yes, just want to encourage you that no matter what you're going through, remember God is able. And yes, we will rest in the eye of the storm. So yes, try to reduce your stress level because that does increase you being vulnerable to diseases. Stress is a big one that can cause many people to be susceptible to cancer and other diseases. So yes, I pray that you will reduce your stress level today. And yes, have a wonderful week, everyone. And yes, God be with you. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for joining us. And yes, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe in the link below or the button for new videos and more on your Monday Medz.